All right, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to the sewer lake. We're gonna do one last test on the H26 before we start doing some more hardware modifications. So we've been running this 4214 stainless steel oxidine. We've been running this 1714 ABC. I think this is a 1745. We're going to start today off trying to run this 1614 ABC. I think this is a 1050. I don't remember. I'll check. We're going to start with this, see if we can even get this to move. This is a kind of a small prop for her. And then we'll move over to this 1814. I kind of want to see how this will work. We only have 2 sets of 3S packs today. Cheapo Depot Ovonics. I haven't gotten the SMC packs just yet. I've been spending my money on a bunch of other stuff for the C32 boats. But with that said, we'll close everything up over here and we'll throw her in the water. All right, guys, so we are running the 1614 ABC. We'll see. On 4S, she couldn't get this boat on plane. So let's see, we'll keep her close, just kind of, woo. I wasn't ready for that. Usually she's not on plane. Yeah, it takes her a second to get on plane. Ooh. Just trying to see what she's doing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Need to go up with that strut a little bit. She got too much prop in the water. Horrible. Let's see what we got here, guys. Takes her a second to get on plane, but I tell you, she wasn't even getting on plane with this before. This prop is too small for her for sure. Let's swap out a prop. All right, guys, we swapped out this prop to an 1814. I believe this is a 1050. Like I said earlier, I'll double check all the... Holy shit. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. My cover fell in the water. Holy shit, but my battery, thank God, stayed. All right, everybody, cover fell off, so I had to make do with what we have. I can't believe that happened, but it happened. All right, let's just... Get some steering trim. Oh, other way. She likes it. She likes it. Oh, don't hit the buoy. She definitely likes it. Super smooth with it, guys, I'll be honest. Whoa, almost hit that buoy. Ooh. Send this out. Yep. Alright guys, she needs a little bit of tuning, but she likes this prop. She's running pretty smooth today. Oh, that damn buoy's always in my way. Ooh, power cut. Power cut. This prop's a little too much, I think. And these batteries suck. Power cut. Alright guys, we're done. Don't want to burn these batteries. It's giving us the sign that we should bring her back in.
How fast is that thing going?
We'll find out right now.
Oh, you got a clock on it.
Yeah. I think we did about high 40s right now. High 40s. All right, I gotta get the camera out of the sun. I'm gonna come sit right next to you if you don't mind.
Yeah, no, not at all. That thing's wicked fast.
Thanks, buddy. All right, so 58.
Looks like way faster than that, but that's quick as hell on the water.
So here we go.
Oh, look at that. That's cool.
You see that? Pretty much bone dry.
It's clean too.
All right, everybody. So everything looked fine inside. We had a little conversation with somebody here that was a little interested in what we were doing, so we explained to him what we did. We ran 58 miles an hour. Conditions are beautiful today. A little slight breeze, but absolutely beautiful. Really good conditions. Get some better batteries and kind of give it one more test with this 1814 because I really like the way she ran with this. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We're out of here. We only had one set of batteries to run, but we did our test. We ran a couple props and we're happy. So thanks for tuning in and we will see you next time.